Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs, and today I'm here with a project share for a challenge that I've been doing since last year, and it's the New Year's challenge that was started by Shaz, who is Crafted Seasons, I believe, on YouTube, and this month's host is Miss Karen Billinger, and she wanted us to do an altered pin. So I took it as I used a bulb pen, okay, and back here, as you can see, I used some sari silk that came from, I believe, I would link it down below, I can't remember the name. I also have a doily that has been glued to the back panel, a butterfly that has been glued to the back panel, and I picked this out from my ephemera box. It says, "Sometimes I'm amazed by how awesome you are." And then I have a dangle that I purchased from DC Scrap and Rooster, and I like the way this came out. Maybe I'll make more. So I want to thank Miss Karen Billinger for hosting the month of March, and also thanks for this great idea, and I will see you all in the next video. And on the safe side, on the flip side, stay safe, be well, be kind, and be gentle. Stay safe, and I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side.